What's your favorite time of the year? Is it summer sunshine, or maybe holiday cheer? Do you like the autumn, when the leaves fall from the trees? Or the sight of flowers swaying in the springtime breeze? So, let's have a party to celebrate the year! Come together, our friends will all be here. It's my favorite time, my favorite time. It's my favorite time, my favorite time. What's your favorite season of fall? Do you like the springtime, or maybe you like the fall? Trying to catch a snowflake on a snowy winter's day, splashing through the water in a sunny summer's haze. So, gather round, our party's nearly here. A celebration, a time to